Hello guys, in this video I am going to teach you how to publish a product in Redbubble. If you don't have an account yet, follow the link in the description and create an account. It's so easy, you just need an email, PayPal account, and if you are living in Australia, you can use Australian bank account, and if you are in USA, you can use ACH bank transfer too. So at first, we have to create a trending artwork. I am using Redbubble trends for that. Now I'm gonna search this in Redbubble to get some ideas. Oh, before that, you should check if it's a trademark or not. Okay, we clear. Let's check the dimensions. Now I'm gonna create my design using Canva. Okay, it's done now. Now I'm gonna log into my Redbubble account. Then click on Add New Work. Then Upload. Give it a title. Now go to this website and use Redbubble text generator to generate text. When you get in the description, try to describe the following key points. First one, describe shape, color. Second one, targeted audience. Third one, targeted holidays. Fourth one, niche. Fifth one, can be used as. Sixth one, special occasion. Now you can edit your designs. There are many products you can design, so it may take some time. I'm gonna speed up unwanted parts and slow down in important areas, so please don't skip. Choose media type. Now match your content in this design. Public, tick here, and then finally click on Save Work button. And that's all. I have a separate playlist on POD. If you like, you can check that. I'll put the link in the description and in the end card too. Thank you. Stay awesome, guys. For watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends. Stay awesome, guys.